What's the meaning of conscription? Conscription. Conscription.
Conscription. Conscription. Conscription is a government policy that requires citizens to serve in the armed forces for a certain period of time, typically during a time of war or in preparation for war. The result of conscription is that a larger pool of soldiers is available to the military, which can lead to more effective defense and stronger national security. However, conscription can also be controversial, as it requires citizens to give up their personal freedoms and can lead to resentment or opposition among those who are forced to serve.